This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It's been 10 years since Samsung released the first Galaxy S smartphone, and here we are with the Galaxy S10 Plus, the most expensive Samsung's flagship phone right now. Hi, I'm Femil from fmjtech.com, and let's see why the Galaxy S10 Plus is so amazing. Before we get started, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notifications to keep up with our incredible new updates. So let's get right into the video. The new design. With the S10 Plus, Samsung skipped the 2018 notch trend display and gone straight for the laser cut punch hole display, and it looks so beautiful. The wider pill-shaped punch hole has two selfie cameras. One is a 10 megapixel camera and an additional 8 megapixel camera for depth sensing, and those thinner bezels makes a higher screen to body ratio of 93.1%. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, which Samsung calls as Dynamic AMOLED display, and is the world's first HDR10 Plus. This means you will get a better detail and a fuller range of colors, especially in scenes which display mostly light and mostly dark content. And here the screen is protected by the Gorilla Glass 6. The back looks similar to Samsung's Note 9. Here we have three cameras, one 16 megapixel ultra-wide camera with variable aperture that goes from f2.4 to f1.5, one 12 megapixel standard camera and a one 12 megapixel telephoto camera. You can check some of the sample pictures taken with this camera from the link down in the description. Another amazing feature is the in-display fingerprint scanner. This is not an optical fingerprint reader that we see on other smartphones. This is actually a ultrasonic fingerprint reader, which means it vibrates the display to read your fingerprint. The Galaxy S10 Plus runs with either Exynos 9820 or latest Snapdragon 855 chipset depending on market, and a 8 GB of RAM. The standard model starts at 128 GB of storage with expandable, and the Performance Edition have 1 TB of storage. The graphic and the gaming performance is stunning on this Galaxy S10 Plus. The S10 Plus has larger battery of 4100 mAh, which is a 24-hour intelligent battery to power this device all day long. The wireless charging feature is still there, but here the extraordinary addition is the reverse wireless charging, which Samsung calls as the wireless power share. It means it can wirelessly charge other devices too. You can even charge one phone with the other like this. So cool. Galaxy S10 Plus comes with Android Pie out of the box with One UI, and now the icons are much larger and more vibrant with this latest Samsung's One UI. You can call up Bixby voice assistant by holding its dedicated button like this. The Galaxy S10 is IP68 water resistant, and look, the headphone jack is still present on it. The more detailed video on each features of Galaxy S10 will be uploaded soon on this channel, so stay tuned for that by pressing the bell button. So that's it for this video, and if you guys want to read more about this Galaxy S10 Plus, simply visit my website fmjtech.com or click on the link down in the description. Also, a huge thanks to MBM Communication Samsung Experience Store who provided this phone for video purpose. You can find their more details in the video description down below. So that's it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.